Hi, this is John, and in this clip we'll be creating our parts list. Now there's two main reasons to create a parts list. One, if I'm going to buy my materials, I need to know how much to buy. Now since I'm not buying any lumber, I'm just using scrap lumber, I still need to know how many pieces and of what size to make each piece, because I'm going to make them all and then assemble them all together. Now the main components include my long sides, my short sides, the bottom, my handle, and my divider unit that I'm going to be building. For my short sides, I'm going to need pieces that are 9 1/4 inches by 12 inches long. My long side is going to need pieces that are 18 1/2 inches by 3 1/2 inches, and the handle is going to be 1 1/2 inches by 20 inches long. Now for my bottom piece, I'm going to need a piece that is 9 1/4 inches wide by 20 inches long. Now one thing nice about creating parts lists is that once I build one of these parts, I can cross it off my list and I can know where I sit as far as building my project. Now, other materials that I'm going to need are a bunch of screws. So I'm just going to buy a small box of screws, and I'm going to need a good wood glue. So I'm just going to probably buy 1 bottle of wood glue.